Today the Roman James family are at Westwood Avenue, a beautiful 3-bedroom house just a short walk away from Stanley Park. The next property has been priced and is perfect for first-time buyers. And on the ground level has a good-sized bay-fronted living room with double doors that open up beautifully onto an open-plan, fully fitted kitchen diner, complete with the home's very own bar, perfect for those who love to entertain. The kitchen on the ground level comes complete with a range of appliances and overlooks the fantastic rear garden. The staircase leads to the first level of the property, where you find a modern fitted 3-piece bathroom suite, 3 excellent sized bedrooms with a beautiful decorative finish.